Welcome back to Quiz Insights. Welcome to the Missing Number Math Challenge. In this quiz, you'll test your brain with fun and tricky fill-in-the-blank math questions. Can you find the missing number? Before that, please subscribe to Quiz Insights channel for more quiz videos. You got this! It's the easy level. First question, 5 plus what number equals 9? Yes, it's 4. What number minus 2 equals 3? Yes, it's 5. 3 times what number equals 6? Correct answer is 2. Good! 8 divided by what number equals 2? Yes, it's 4. What number plus 4 equals 7? Yes, the correct answer is 3. 10 minus what number equals 6? Yes, it's 4. What number multiplied by 2 equals 10? Yes, it's 5. 12 divided by what number equals 4? Yes, the correct answer is 3. 2 plus what number equals 6? Yes, it's 4. What number minus 3 equals 2? Yes, it's 5. 9 divided by what number equals 3? Yes, the correct answer is 3. What number multiplied by 3 equals 15? Yes, it's 5. What number plus 1 equals 5? Yes, it's 4. 7 minus what number equals 2? Yes, it's 5. What number divided by 2 equals 6? You got it! It's 12. Here we go for the medium level. 15 plus what number equals 25? Yeah, it's 10. What number minus 9 equals 12? 81. What number multiplied by 4 equals 28? Correct, it's 7. 36 divided by what number equals 6? Correct, it's 6. 10 plus what number equals 35? Yes, it's 25. What number minus 17 equals 10? Yes, it's 27. 8 multiplied by what number equals 64? Correct answer is 8. 56 divided by what number equals 7? Correct answer is 8. What number plus 22 equals 50? Correct answer is 28. 90 minus what number equals 55? Correct answer is 35. What number multiplied by 3 equals 33? Yes, it's 11. 81 divided by what number equals 9? Yes, it's 9. 25 plus what number equals 60? Correct answer is 35. What number minus 14 equals 36? Yes, it's 50. What number multiplied by 2 equals 48? Yes, it's 24. This is the hard level. Time to test your brain. Question 31. 100 minus what number equals 35? Yes, it's 65. What number plus 45 equals 120? Correct, it's 75. What number divided by 6 equals 11? Correct answer is 66. 15 multiplied by what number equals 135? Yes, it's 9. What number minus 22 equals 88? Correct answer is 110. 200 divided by what number equals 20? Yeah, it's 10. 14 plus what number equals 77? It's 63. What number multiplied by 9 equals 108? You got it. It's 12. 72 divided by what number equals 8? Yes, it's 9. 45 plus what number equals 100? Correct, it's 55. What number minus 38 equals 62? It's 100. Good! What number multiplied by 5 equals 185? It's 37. 144 divided by what number equals 12? You got it. It's 12. What number plus 64 equals 123? It's 59. 250 minus what number equals 125? It's 125. Level impossible. Try your best. 400 divided by what number equals 50? Correct answer is 8. What number multiplied by 7 equals 343? Correct answer is 49. 300 minus what number equals 123? It's 177. What number plus 89 equals 200? It's 111. What number divided by 5 equals 60? Correct answer is 300. 345 plus what number equals 987? It's 642. What number multiplied by 24 equals 4,800? It's 200. 500 divided by 5 plus what number equals 150? Yes, it's 50. What number minus 275 equals 1,225? It's 1,500. 25 multiplied by 12 plus what number equals 400? It's 100. Good! What number multiplied by 2 equals 1,200? It's 600. 3,000 minus what number equals 2,456? It's 544. 600 plus 400 divided by what number equals 50? It's 20. What number multiplied by 15 equals 6,750? It's 450. 1,000 divided by what number equals 125? Correct answer is 8. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe Quiz Insights channel for more quiz videos.